Solutions. Today we're in downtown Roanoke at the Transportation Museum, and we're going to be installing a 55-gallon rain barrel with a downspout filter capable of doing irrigation in a flower bed or any kind of small application. Start here, we have this rain barrel you can source from us, Rainwater Management Solutions. We're going to put some bulkhead fittings to put your fittings in. That makes a watertight seal on the outside of the tank. We have here an 1.25" one we are going to use for our inlet. I'll show you how we install that. It just comes loose, has a rubber gasket. We used a 2.5-inch hole saw to cut a tight hole. As you can see, you just want the bulkhead to fit just inside it. You don't want it too big. We're just going to tighten this. Give it a couple cranks with a large wrench or channel locks. Just to make sure the seal seals. Alright, and as you can see, we've already installed a smaller one at the bottom with a 3/4 inch fitting. We're going to put a spigot down there for this so we can hook a soaker irrigation. I've just put some Teflon tape just to make sure it seals and is watertight. And we are showing part 2 of how to install a rain barrel. It's a 55-gallon downspout rain barrel system. So we've got a rain barrel with our fittings for an inlet and a spigot for an outlet. And now we are going to install the WISY downspout filter to do pre-filtration into the rain barrel. We put the bulkhead fitting attached to the tank with some simple male threaded to glue adapter and just a small piece of 1-inch PVC pipe. We went ahead and spray painted it just for look so it matches. We've already installed that. This is a hose and a tension ring that comes in the package with your WISY downspout filter. It's to attach it to your inlet and to the downspout filter, and we're going to kind of measure how high we want to put this. And now once we've hooked our hose and tension ring to our inlet on the rain barrel, we're going to see how high we want this set. So we can just put our hose on the end of our WISY filter. Then we're just going to set it up against the downspout. You want this all the way inserted into the downspout. Mark it. And then you want it to come in at least 2 inches. Just leave it enough room so you can pull it up to service the filter. So we're going to mark it a few inches down about right here. And that's where we're going to make our cuts. A lot of times we'll use PVC to adapt from a metal square downspout, but these are already round. So we're just going to cut in at our marks. I'm using a reciprocating saw with a fine metal cutting blade. You could use a metal hack saw, just a hand saw as well. But this kind of gets the job done faster. Brent Reedy with Rainwater Management Solutions. We're in downtown Roanoke at the Transportation Museum, and we have completed the installation of our WISY downspout filter. We have our hose and tension ring into our 55-gallon rain barrel. We put the spigot in the bottom, and they have a soaker irrigation hose that carries it throughout the flower bed. It's a real simple design, easy to use, and quite efficient. You can find it all on our website, rainwatermanagement.com. Thank you.